Jake, you won't believe this. I'm trying to learn English through songs.
Through songs? That's the best idea you ever had. No grammar books?
Nope, only music. But I have no plan, just chaos.
Okay, first rule, pick slow songs. Not rap, not speed rock.
So no Eminem? I was starting with him.
Girl, you'll just learn to breathe fast. Start with something clear. Ed Sheeran, maybe.
So clear pronunciation first.
Exactly. Step 1, choose songs with clear, emotional lyrics.
Emotional helps memory, right?
Yeah, the brain remembers feelings, not words.
I already feel smart.
Wait till day 7. You'll be singing like a native.
So I need 7 songs for 7 days?
Perfect. One song a day keeps confusion away.
That sounds like a doctor's rule.
Yeah, Dr. Jake's English Clinic.
Okay, I'll pick Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Great. Day 1, romance and pronunciation.
And day 2?
Maybe Count on Me by Bruno Mars for friendship words.
So each song has a theme.
Exactly. Emotions make vocabulary stick.
I love this already.
Wait till we dance with grammar.
Okay, I listened to Perfect 3 times.
Did you close your eyes?
What? Why?
Because when you close your eyes, you hear better. Focus.
Maybe. I always get distracted by the video.
Yeah, first listen, sound only. No lyrics, no screen.
Just feeling the rhythm?
Then listen again and write what you hear, even if it's wrong.
Like dictation?
Exactly. That's how your brain connects sound to word.
Wow, that's new.
Yeah, learning through mistakes is magic.
Today, I opened the lyrics. It's like poetry.
English songs are modern poems.
I circled words like darling and under the light.
Nice. Those are romantic phrases.
I didn't know darling is old-fashioned, but still sweet.
Yeah, you'll sound like a 1950s movie star.
I also noticed rhyme. Light, night, right.
That's rhythm memory. Rhyming helps you remember faster.
So, lyrics are like vocabulary songs?
Exactly. Music is memory glue.
I'm loving this.
Told you, no textbooks needed.
Okay, I tried singing today. My cat left the room.
That's a good sign. You're loud enough.
But I sounded strange.
That's your accent working out, like gym for your mouth.
Jim from my mouth? That's weird.
But true, singing trains pronunciation muscles.
So I should sing every day?
Yup, even whisper singing helps. Whisper.
Like this?
Exactly. You sound confident already.
I actually felt it. My tongue moving differently.
That's the secret. Music teaches your mouth rhythm.
I started a song word journal.
Oh, fancy. What's inside?
Words from songs, meanings, and a short sentence.
That's genius. Example?
Darling, someone you love, sentence, good night, darling.
Nice. Add collocations too.
Kala what?
Words that usually go together, like fall in love or break a heart.
Ah, word friends.
Exactly. Songs are full of them.
I'll highlight them with colors.
Color makes memory stronger.
Jake, guess what? I found grammar in songs.
Told you. Grammar hides in melody.
I have loved you. That's present perfect.
Exactly. Ed Sheeran is your grammar teacher.
That's crazy.
Pay attention to tenses. They sing real-life grammar.
So songs are grammar in emotion.
I like that phrase. Write it down.
Done. Grammar in emotion.
That could be a podcast name.
I listen.
You're learning faster than you think.
I focused on pronunciation today.
Cool. Which part?
The th sound. I still say ting instead of thing.
That's normal. Try biting your tongue a little.
Thing.
There you go.
I practiced with thinking out loud.
Great choice. Thinking and thank you are perfect.
My mouth hurts a bit.
That means it's working.
So singing fixes pronunciation?
Yep, better than any boring drill.
Okay, final day. I sang the whole song confidently.
Alone or in public?
In my kitchen with the hairbrush mic.
That's a classic move.
I didn't even care about mistakes.
That's confidence. The best teacher.
I feel fluent, kind of.
You are getting fluent. Songs change mindset
I even understood lines I didn't before.
because now you feel the language.
This is so cool.
Welcome to musical fluency.
What's next after 7 days?
Shadow singing.
Sounds mysterious.
You sing at the same time as the artist. Same rhythm, same sound.
Like karaoke?
Kind of, but focused. You match their speed and accent.
That sounds fun.
It builds your speaking rhythm like a mirror.
So, shadow means copy.
Exactly. Copy the sound, not the stress.
Stress?
I mean, don't stress yourself. Just imitate.
I realized songs also teach culture.
Absolutely. Music shows how people feel.
Love Yourself by Justin Bieber felt confident and sassy.
That's modern English. Short, powerful lines.
Like, my mama don't like you.
Exactly. Grammar's not perfect, but attitude is.
So, songs teach real world English.
Not textbook English, living English.
I want to sound real like that.
You're on your way.
Can I teach this to my friends?
Please do. Spread the rhythm.
Sometimes I still translate in my head.
Happens to everyone.
I try not to, but my brain goes, translate now.
Tell your brain to chill.
How?
Focus on images. When the song says sky, see the sky.
Mental pictures.
Exactly. Music helps your imagination take control.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, English lives in pictures, not grammar.
So feel it, not translate it.
Exactly.
I can't believe I learned this much in 1 week.
I told you, music works like magic.
I know more words, better pronunciation, and more confidence.
That's a full upgrade.
I even dreamt in English last night.
That's level up number 2.
I sang in my dream too.
Okay, now you're officially bilingual.
Feels amazing.
Keep doing it. 7 days can become a lifestyle.
Maybe next week, learn English with movies.
Deal. I'm the popcorn guy.
Let's recap for my notes.
Sure. Step 1, listen without lyrics.
Step 2, read lyrics and find meanings.
Step 3, sing out loud for pronunciation.
Step 4, make a song journal.
Step 5, find grammar in songs.
Step 6, shadow singing for rhythm.
Step 7, feel, don't translate.
That's the 7-day plan.
You could make a YouTube course.
Maybe I will.
Promise me backstage passes.
Okay, last test. We sing together.
What song?
Count on me. It feels right.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
I'll be there.
You're really learning.
Thanks to you and music.
Nah, thanks to your passion.
And my cat's patience.
True. He's the real hero.
So, English through songs actually works.
Always. The rhythm never lies.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.